Ready to level up your Darbuka playing? If you already know the Maqsoum rhythm, today we're going to flip it and make it dance. We'll add details that make it cooler, faster, and stronger. Stay focused, because in the next few minutes, you're going to jump to a whole new level. Let's go! Remember this rhythm?
Doumbek, tak, doumbek, doumbek, tak, doumbek.
Today we'll upgrade it, and it will sound like this. Hey everyone, I'm Magid Aziz, and this is Magid's Darbuka channel. If English is your first language, don't forget to check the video description below. You'll find a full Darbuka learning playlist in English with lessons that will help you learn and grow step by step. The basic Maqsoum rhythm we all know is
Doumbek, tak, doumbek.
but today we're upgrading it to this. To make it easier, we'll break it into two parts. Part 1, dom, tak, tak, tak.
Doumbek, tak, tak.
Take your time, stay focused, and repeat after me.
Doumbek, tak, tak. Doumbek, tak, tak. Doumbek, tak, tak.
If this part feels hard, no problem. Let's break it down even more. First, play dom tak alone.
Doumbek,
Then play tak tak.
tak, tak.
Once you feel confident, put them together again.
Doumbek, tak, tak.
Part 2.
Doumbek, tak.
Same idea. Repeat this part with me slowly until it becomes comfortable.
Doumbek, tak. Doumbek, tak. Doumbek, tak.
Now let's put both parts together. Dom tak taka tak. Dom taka tak.
Doumbek, tak, tak. Doumbek, tak. Doumbek, tak, tak. Doumbek, tak.
This rhythm needs patience, lots of practice, and lots of listening. The more you play it, the more natural and smooth it will feel. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what rhythm you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.